Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to deactivate your Facebook account. So to do that, let's head over to the Facebook application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Then go to the settings. Now go to account center. Now scroll down and go to password, personal detail, your information and permissions. And go to personal details. Now go to account ownership and control. Now go to deactivation or deletion. Go and select your Facebook account and tap on deactivate account. It says your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So tap on continue and then tap on continue again. And here you have to give your Facebook profile's password and your account will be deactivated. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.